Every AI creator is talking about agents. Half of them can't actually explain what an agent is. I'm going to give you the clearest explanation I know, what agents actually are, how they're different from ChatGPT, and the 3 types that matter most for freelancers. Every AI creator is talking about agents. Half of them can't actually explain what an agent is. I'm going to give you the clearest explanation I know, what agents actually are, how they're different from ChatGPT, and the 3 types that matter most for freelancers. What is an AI agent? 2. Chatter. Simple definition. An AI agent is an AI model that can take actions, not just answer questions. ChatGPT responds. An agent acts. Analogy. ChatGPT is like a smart colleague you ask for advice. An agent is like a smart colleague you give a task to and they go complete it. What actions means: browsing the web, reading files, writing emails, running searches, filling forms. A research agent can take your prospect list, visit each LinkedIn profile, summarize their recent activity, and drop it into your spreadsheet while you're on a call with another client. ChatGPT, you give it input, it gives you output, you decide what to do with it, you act. Agent, you give it a goal, it decides what steps to take, it takes those steps, it gives you the result. The key difference: agents handle the do part, not just the think part. When this matters for freelancers, multi-step tasks that currently require your manual time. The 3 types of agents freelancers should know. Type 1. Research agents. What they do: gather information from multiple sources automatically. Freelancer use case: prospect research, competitive analysis, market research for clients. Tools: Perplexity, Claude with web access, custom GPTs with browsing. Type 2. Writing agents. What they do: produce multi-step content workflows, research, outline, draft, review, edit. Freelancer use case: content calendars, article production, email sequence generation. The difference from ChatGPT: they chain the steps automatically instead of waiting for your input at each stage. Type 3. Outreach agents. What they do: find prospects, personalize messages, track responses. Freelancer use case: automating the prospecting pipeline. Careful, must be done ethically. Tools. Some email automation tools now have AI agent layers. Here's how to use agents without coding. Claude.ai now has agent capabilities built in. Projects plus web browsing. Perplexity has deep research mode. This is basically an agent. You don't need to build an agent. You can use existing ones through these tools. Start here before building custom agents. When to start using agents? Not day 1. Learn the basics of prompting first. When you find yourself doing the same research or writing task more than 5 times, that's the agent opportunity. The trigger: I'm doing this manually and it's boring and repetitive. That's your agent task. Agents aren't magic and they're not scary. They're the next layer of leverage after good prompting. And the freelancers building that layer now are going to have a serious advantage. Free Starter Kit is in the description to get your prompting foundation solid first.